Hey, so this is Doug Root, Rustic Roots Reclaimed, and today we're talking about fireplace mantels and what you need to do to your mantel to get it up there. And it depends really on whether it's new construction or renovation. So with new construction, you have a new build, new wall, and it's best that we feel that you mount that mantel up to the wall before you brick and rock around it. It's hard to mount a flat surface onto a uneven surface. You know, rock is kind of like this. Brick is a little bit easier, but when you put that mantel up, it attaches directly to the wall. What we do is we pick which side's going to be our back side, we flatten that side, and then we install a mantel bracket. This is routed out, and the mantel bracket sits down inside the mantel, so it disappears. Rods are here. We have about 6 rods on each panel bracket, so that this holds it securely to the wall. The bracket goes up first, and the mantel slides right over it. So you have a nice flat surface. This is especially important to use this method when you are doing a renovation, because generally the rock or brick's already there. So when it's brick, this works. When it's rock, you have an uneven surface, so sometimes you can't use this application. You have to actually kind of curve or drill out the back of the mantel to kind of make it fit the rock, and use rebar or some kind of screws that go into the rock that serve as rods that are on this mantel bracket right here. You can't see them, but there's a rod right there. It goes all the way through about 6 inches. So in theory, you just make your own rods when you have a rock face. But if you can mount it up there first, then all your problems go away. If you can't, you pick out your mantel which side you like. That's going to be your front. We then flatten the back side, round it out, drill the holes, and you have a mantel that's ready to go. So, if you need more help, let us know. Rustic Roots.